DJI has built its reputation in the action camera space by doing something very deliberate, improving the experience step by step rather than chasing sudden, dramatic overhauls. Each generation tends to focus on practical gains, more stable footage, better image processing, improved durability, and smoother performance in real-world conditions. With the DJI Osmo Action 6 now officially available, attention is already shifting forward, and the natural next topic of discussion is the DJI Osmo Action 7, a camera that has not been announced yet but is already generating strong speculation based on DJI's consistent product rhythm. Even without official confirmation, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is easy to place within DJI's historical release behavior. Over the past several cycles, DJI has followed a fairly predictable pattern with its action cameras, typically introducing new models on an annual basis. While the exact timing can vary slightly, most launches tend to land in the second half of the year, often between late Q3 and Q4. This pattern has remained stable enough that analysts and enthusiasts often use it as a reference point when predicting future releases. Following that logic, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is most likely positioned for a late 2026 release window. Current expectations suggest a possible announcement between October and November 2026, which would align with DJI's usual strategy of launching consumer-focused devices ahead of the holiday season. Before any official reveal, DJI typically goes through a structured pre-launch phase involving certification filings, regulatory approvals, and early database entries that often hint at upcoming hardware. If that familiar cycle continues without disruption, the DJI Osmo Action 7 would naturally follow that timeline. Pricing is expected to remain relatively stable, consistent with DJI's approach in previous generations. Rather than making large jumps in cost, DJI tends to keep its action cameras within a familiar pricing range while adding value through internal upgrades and bundle variations. This strategy helps the company stay competitive while keeping the product accessible to both casual users and more serious creators. For the DJI Osmo Action 7, the expected pricing is likely to remain close to the current generation. The base model would probably sit in a mid-range action camera bracket, while more complete packages with accessories like mounts, extra batteries, and protective kits would be priced higher. This tiered structure gives users flexibility depending on whether they want a simple setup or a more production-ready kit for travel and content creation. When it comes to performance upgrades, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is expected to continue DJI's trend of refinement rather than reinvention. A completely new sensor type is not widely expected. Instead, improvements are likely to come from enhanced image processing, smarter software tuning, and better optimization of existing hardware. This approach allows DJI to extract more performance from the same sensor architecture without drastically changing the overall camera design. One of the most discussed areas of improvement is low light performance. Action cameras, due to their compact size and wide-angle lenses, typically struggle in darker environments. However, DJI has steadily improved this over multiple generations. For the DJI Osmo Action 7, expectations point toward cleaner night footage, reduced noise levels, and improved detail retention in shadows. While it may not transform nighttime shooting into something cinematic, it should make low light conditions noticeably more usable for everyday creators. Dynamic range improvements are also expected, allowing the camera to better balance highlights and shadows in challenging lighting scenarios. This would be especially useful in outdoor environments where lighting conditions change quickly, such as sunsets, forests, or urban street scenes. Combined with improved color science, footage straight from the camera may require less correction in post-production. video performance is likely to see incremental improvements rather than a major leap in resolution. Instead of pushing extreme specs, DJI is expected to focus on consistency, more stable frame rates, better heat control during long recordings, and improved reliability across different shooting modes. These refinements are often more important in real-world use than headline specifications, especially for creators who rely on long recording sessions. Stabilization will remain one of the strongest pillars of the DJI Osmo Action 7. DJI has consistently led the action camera market in electronic stabilization, and each generation has refined it further. The next version is expected to offer smoother horizon leveling, improved motion correction, and better handling of sudden or unpredictable movement. This would result in footage that feels more natural and less processed, especially in fast-moving scenarios like cycling, running, or handheld vlogging. Battery life and thermal efficiency are also expected to improve incrementally. DJI has gradually extended recording times and improved heat management over recent generations, and the DJI Osmo Action 7 is expected to continue that trend. Longer sustained recording, better performance in extreme temperatures, and fewer interruptions due to overheating are all likely improvements. The rugged, waterproof design is expected to remain a core feature, keeping the Action series aligned with outdoor and adventure-focused use cases. At the same time, there is still some uncertainty surrounding regulatory conditions in certain markets. DJI has faced increased scrutiny in regions such as the United States, where broader policy discussions have already influenced product availability in other categories. While most of the current focus is not directly on action cameras, there is still some speculation about how future devices like the DJI Osmo Action 7 might be affected if regulations tighten further. At this stage, there is no confirmed restriction, but it remains an external factor worth watching. In past situations, DJI has shown flexibility by adjusting its distribution strategy or using alternative product pathways when necessary. While there is no indication that such measures will be required for the Action 7, it demonstrates that the company has options if market conditions shift unexpectedly. For now, the DJI Osmo Action 7 stands as one of the most anticipated upcoming action cameras simply because it represents the next step in a very stable and successful product line, one that continues to improve quietly, generation after generation, without losing its core identity.